celebrating Hokulea, Moana Nui Akea, traveling around the world. And I knew about the size of this gazebo. Some music from back in the 70s. We are going to sail to Tahiti back in 1976. A little puppy dog was on a canoe cruising with them to Tahiti. This song is about that little dog. Its name was Hokuli'ili'i. It means little star. Aloha, oleo, uha, ahu, uka, valeno, uiwi, ake, elebeka, uina ole, love you, Millie. Again, have a great day, everybody. We home. God bless.
Ladies and gentlemen, Nahoku Hana Hana World Star Kawika Kahiapo. We're so blessed by you, Kawika. Thank you so much. Love you. Are you welcome to come on a Sunday, everybody?